Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we will talk about ChatGPT. Have you heard of it? It is an advanced language model that uses artificial intelligence to converse with people. And today, we'll show you 5 tricks that will help you master ChatGPT. Are you ready? Let's get started. Trick 1. How to start a conversation with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is very intelligent, but it needs a good conversation starter. One trick is to start with a simple question, like "What's your name?" or "How are you today?" Another tip is to try to personalize the conversation based on ChatGPT's interests, which he may have mentioned earlier. So let's try it out. What's your name, ChatGPT? Trick 2. How to keep the conversation interesting. ChatGPT is very good at answering questions and providing information, but he also likes to talk about interesting topics. One tip is to ask open-ended questions that allow ChatGPT to express his opinions, such as "What do you think about the future of artificial intelligence?" or "What's your favorite movie?" Another idea is to play around with ChatGPT, making jokes or using funny memes to liven up the conversation. Trick 3. How to teach new things to ChatGPT. Although ChatGPT is very intelligent, he can still learn new things from you. One tip is to provide information about a specific subject and see how ChatGPT responds. Or you can teach something new to ChatGPT, such as a new word in a foreign language or a curiosity about an animal. Trick 4. How to make ChatGPT tell jokes. ChatGPT has a very particular sense of humor, but if you know how to approach him, you can make him tell a funny joke. One tip is to ask ChatGPT if he knows how to tell jokes and then suggest a theme for him. Or you can simply tell a joke to ChatGPT and see what his response is. Trick 5. Exploring ChatGPT's advanced features. For example, ChatGPT can be used to create text more quickly and efficiently, with automatic corrections and word suggestions. In addition, you can customize the conversation with ChatGPT by choosing between different language styles and levels of creativity. Another tip is to explore ChatGPT's pre-trained models for specific tasks, such as language translation or programming code generation. By mastering these advanced features of ChatGPT, you can save time and increase your productivity. So, what do you think of our tricks to master ChatGPT? We hope you enjoyed them and can use these tips to converse with ChatGPT more effectively. Oh, and if you have more tricks to share, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give a like to the video to help us produce more content like this. See you next time, guys.